रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मेरा नाम है कैसर रूंजा और मैंने ये वीडियो इसलिए बनाई है कि मैंने बनाया है एक ट्यूशन सेंटर जहाँ पे मैंने एक अमेरिका से एक टीचर को लेके आया हूँ जो हमारे गांव की बच्चों और बच्चियों को सब कुछ पढ़ाएगी। तो चाहे उनको इंग्लिश पढ़ना है, बायोलॉजी पढ़ना है, सोशियोलॉजी पढ़ना है, फ़िज़िक्स एंड मैथ पढ़ना है या आइल्स की तैयारी करनी है, हमारी टीचर एनी उन सब की मदद करेगी। तो आप अपने बच्चे ज़रूर हमारे ट्यूशन सेंटर भेजें। आप पहले देखें कि हमारी एनी किस तरह पढ़ाती है। तो मैं पहले एनी से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि वो सब लोगों के सामने अपना इंट्रोडक्शन रखें और वो बताएं कि कितनी ज़बरदस्त टीचर हैं एनी और उन्हें कितने पढ़ाने का कितना ज़्यादा शौक़ है। जी एनी।
Hello everyone. My name is Annie and I'm so excited to be a part of this tuition center and to have the opportunity to teach your children. I'm originally from the United States, but I've had the privilege of studying art and engineering in Florence, Italy. I love to learn new things and share my knowledge with others. As a teacher, I'm passionate about helping students of all ages and backgrounds reach their full potential. I believe that every student has unique talents and abilities, and I'm committed to helping each one of them succeed. I'm patient, kind, and always happy to answer questions and encourage curiosity. Whether your child needs help with English, biology, sociology, physics, math, or preparing for the IELTS exam, I'm here to help. I look forward to meeting all of your wonderful children and helping them learn and grow.
Okay,
Thank you.
Annie, now I'm going to play some role plays so parents would see कि अगर बच्चे जो हैं वो आते हैं तो आप उन्हें किस तरह पढ़ाओगी। एनी, मेरा नाम अली है और मैं ग्रेड 3 में हूँ। मुझे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस नहीं आता, तो आप प्लीज़ मुझे वो पढ़ाएं।
That's a great idea to start with a prayer for a better future for all. Now, let's move on to learning about the present perfect tense. Ali, in the present perfect tense, we use the auxiliary verb have or has with the past participle of the main verb to describe an action that happened at an unspecified time before now or that started in the past and continues into the present.
थोड़ा स्लो बोलो प्लीज़। नाराज़ नहीं होना, लेकिन मुझे इतना तेज़ बोलती हो आप तो समझ नहीं आता।
I apologize for speaking too quickly. Ali, let me slow down and explain the present perfect tense again. The present perfect tense is used to describe an action that happened at an unspecified time before now or that started in the past and continues into the present. To form the present perfect tense, we use the auxiliary verb have or has with the past participle of the main verb. For example, I have eaten breakfast means that I ate breakfast at some point before now, but it doesn't say exactly when. Or, he has studied English for 2 years means that he started studying English 2 years ago.
एनी, अली चला गया है। अब जो है वो राबिया आई है। राबिया ग्रेड 8 में है और इनको क्लाइमेट चेंज के बारे में पढ़ना है। तो ज़रा प्लीज़ पहले राबिया को पढ़ा लो।
Sure. I'd be happy to help Rabia with her reading about climate change. Rabia, what specifically would you like to learn about climate change? Are you interested in the causes,
यस, मुझे ये समझना है कि क्लाइमेट चेंज जो है वो जो डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज़ है उन पे कैसे असर करता है और हम जैसे जो गांव में रहते हैं उन पे वो क्लाइमेट चेंज को किस तरह रोक सकते हैं।
Those are great questions. Rabia, climate change is affecting developing countries in many ways, including increased frequency and intensity of extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and decreased agricultural productivity. In order to stop climate change, we need to take action on both a global and local level. This includes reducing our carbon footprint by using renewable energy sources, reducing waste and consumption, and making environmentally conscious choices in our daily lives.
एनी सॉरी, राबिया भी चली गई, उसकी माँ ने उसको बुलाया। अब हमारे पास जो है वो जवाद आया है और जवाद जो है वो सोशियोलॉजी पढ़ रहा है और उसको समझना है कि ये क्लास स्टेटस क्या है। उसको ज़रा एक्सप्लेन करो, थोड़ी सी एग्जांपल्स देके प्लीज़।
Sure. Jawad, in sociology, class status refers to the social and economic position of an individual or group within a society. Class status is often determined by factors such as income, education, occupation, and social status. For example, someone who is a doctor or a lawyer and earns a high income would be considered to have a high class status.
जवाब भी चला गया। अब ये आया हुआ है अहमद, आया हुआ है। अहमद कह रहा है कि मेरा आइल्स का लैंग्वेज टेस्ट है और उसको जो है अपनी स्पीकिंग इम्प्रूव करनी है। तो तुम क्या पुराने कोई सवाल पूछ सकती हो पास्ट पेपर से और इसको हेल्प करो कि प्रैक्टिस करे और जो भी जवाब दे उसको आप सही करो कि कैसे जवाब को ठीक किया जा सकता है।
Sure. Ahmed, I'm sorry to hear about your loss. Please let me know if there's anything I can do to help. Regarding your request, I'd be happy to ask you an IELTS speaking practice question from a past paper. Here's a question from the past paper. Describe a place you have visited that has a special meaning to you. Can you please take a moment to think about your answer and then tell me about a place you have visited that has a special meaning to you? After you finish, I'll provide feedback on your answer and offer suggestions for improvement.
Okay, my favorite food is biryani. I love biryani. Biryani is very good. Biryani is very nice. I like biryani very very much. Biryani is very good. I eat very very much biryani. Everywhere I go I eat very very much biryani. Even my brother like biryani. I like biryani every time biryani. Thank you.
Ahmed, the question was actually about describing a place you have visited that has a special meaning to you. While I appreciate your enthusiasm for biryani, your answer is not related to the question. For the question, you could describe a place you have visited, such as a city or a landmark, and explain why it has a special meaning to you. For example, you could talk about a trip you took to your hometown and how it brought back memories of your childhood. Or, you could describe a visit to a historical site that made you appreciate the culture and history of the area. When answering an IELTS speaking question, it's important to stay focused on the topic and provide specific details and examples to support your answer. I hope this feedback helps. And please let me know if you have any further-
my teacher, thank you so much. आई होप कि ये वीडियो देखने के बाद पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चे ज़रूर हमारे ट्यूशन सेंटर भेजेंगे। हमारे ट्यूशन सेंटर का नाम है द एनी ट्यूशन सेंटर। तो आपका बहुत शुक्रिया कि आपने इतने अच्छे तरीके से लोगों को एग्जांपल्स दी कि वो आप किस तरह उनके बच्चों को एक अच्छे तरीके से पढ़ा सकती हैं और मुस्तकबिल का जो भी एजुकेशन है वो एआई के ज़रिए होगा। तो आपकी सारी इस मेहनत का शुक्रिया। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा।